How to add highlights to Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on your story. Go to your story and then click on the highlights. So you have to click on the highlights in the bottom of this page. So when you click on the highlights, so here you can see all your highlights, and if you want to add the highlights to the new one, you can also add to this older one. You have to click on the new, and then you can give a name like anything you can give the name, and then you can click on the add button, and it is added to your profile. So when you go to your profile, then here it is saying that, then here you can see this is my highlights. So that's basically that how you can create highlights to Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.